Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video we are going to do a little DIY video because I haven't done one in so long and I've been saving this project for ages and I was like, you know what, I need to do it. So, in today's little DIY you will need some of this beautiful marble, I forgot what it's called, but I will link it down below. I got it on eBay, but it's like this sticky stuff, as you can see, which I will peel off here now. Sorry, basket full of random stuff, socks and all that. But anyway, you peel the end off and this is sticky, but it's like basically like a giant sticker. But anyway, you will need this, some scissors and a coaster, preferably a ruler, but I've got a coaster just to sort of flatten out any of the edges. So with our little DIY stuff, let's go to the front room. What we're gonna do is transform this beautiful little table here, which I got from the range, and we're basically going to do the top bit here marble, because as you can see at the moment, I don't know if you can see, but it's not that nice. It's just a bit squiggly. I don't really know what's going on. So it's simple and white, very nice, but I want to add the marble to it because I love marble more than most things. So that is what we are going to do right now. So as you can see, this is what the table looks like, the top of it. I am literally just going to take it off because it just slots in like so. So this is what it looks like on top of that. I'm literally just going to apply some marble on top of this to make that on top of that with that and that and that. But anyway, you'll see what I mean. So I'm literally just going to peel it off, stick it down and fold it underneath the table and then put it on top. Super duper easy. So all we're going to do is sort of measure how much we need and flip the table around like so, and we're sort of going to wrap it up as a present. So measure it all the way to the middle because we want the marble to be all the way around, and then get your scissors and cut it. There are lines that you can follow. So at the moment it will look something like this. And then what we are going to do is obviously start off in the middle here, so we're going to flip it round again and then we're just going to stick it all down until it is all done basically. So yeah, so where it's the middle you're going to cut a little strip in the middle like so, and then what you're going to do is place it down while taking the sticker off in the middle, and then you're going to do one side first. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a little line here which I've unstucked. So I've peeled it off, I've cut it down in the middle there and peeled it off. This is when your little coaster comes in handy. Or you can be more practical and use a ruler, but you know. But what we're going to do is, as we pull the underneath off, gradually we're going to stick this down to make sure there's no air bubbles, if that makes any sense. So that's basically what we're going to do. So you want to pull and then stick. No air bubbles, we don't like air bubbles. And then as it gets to this point, we're going to flip the table round. And then I've literally pulled these down, and then you're going to do one side first and just pull it over and then just sort of cut it, but you still want these to show because it needs to slot in well. So yeah, that's all basically, if it's going to focus, got to do left. Because of the little dent we have here, it is really hard to sort of fold it all into place neatly as it is a circle. So I've basically cut little chunks down here, and you're going to use this to sort of hold it up all neatly and do it in a way where it all sort of folds in nicely together. You can use this to sort of pat it all down everywhere and then flatten that. Like so. Looks so messy, but as you move it onto the other side it will look so much better. So I've basically just cut loads of sections out from it because it's easier, because as it's a circle and you don't want the little lines. So I'm just going to stick them all in place, and as you push it down on that, it will, the creases will sort of come out a little bit more. And you can also get sellotape to sort of stick it down a bit better with. It's completely up to you. When you literally plop it over the top, like so, squid it down. Look how pretty it looks. Oh my god, I love it. There are some air bubbles which need to be sorted, and these need to be flattened a little bit, like so. Hello Lottie. Look how pretty it looks. So this is the after. I need to sort of push these down a lot harder. But all in all, look at all this. Oh, it's gone now. I was like, there's one air bubble, but it's gone. Look how pretty it looks. It's just something, if I stand back, so subtle, but the little bit of marble looks so nice with the grey sofa. I was taking pictures. And then also the white cabinet here. Look how pretty it looks. I love it. So everyone, that is the end of my little DIY project. I hope you've all enjoyed it, and something different that I sort of usually do, but you guys know how much I love doing DIY and how much I love marble ankle butter. Look how cute it is. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and yeah, I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye!